I just started hearing air inside my truck, the dashboard where the brake valves are, and then the truck started dragging. I pulled over and I came out here and I got blown out brake chamber here. So I gotta back off this brake or put a what you call it, caging bolt in there, one or the other, and then I'm going to put this vice grip clamp that I got from Harbor Freight. You can get these from a lot of places, make them a hose clamp. I'm going to put this on the air hose so I can drive. Well, I ran out of air in the truck. Had to come in here and shut the, pull the yellow valve back out and set the cruise control to, high speed while it's parked. And now wait for the air to build up. Then I got to push the brake back in because I can't release that brake. It's not going to move until there's air on it or a caging bolt pulling the spring off. So when my air finishes building up, then I'll push this valve in. I'll go out there and take care of that. Got a caging bolt on there. That was tricky to put on, but kept me doing videos out here on the side of the road. And I got my vice grip clamp on here. And of course I put the hose part of it right next to right between the rivets, so that it's at its tightest point right there where those rivets are on here and on that side. Hopefully I'm ready to roll now until I get a chance to fix that. Gonna be putting one of these things on today. Let's see here. This went out a few days ago on my job, and that's why I got this hose clamp pliers on here, and I did some little bit of video with the phone that should be in the beginning parts of this video. Anyway, put a caging bolt in. That's that long bolt sticking out the back end of that one there. Put that in. First you have to, it's got a key slot on it. You got to find the hole on the plate that's in front of the parking spring. There's a big parking spring inside there for you people that are new with this and don't know what these things do. This one is a parking brake, and so you got to close off the air line that goes to, that's closer to the back, and that's this one here. The other one is just slightly in front of it because there's a divider inside of here, and that front one only goes to the service brake. That's when you step on the brake, it pushes the rod out to apply your brakes. This one back here, all that does is lift the caging, or lifts the parking spring off. You have to put the caging bolt in and pull that parking spring off, otherwise your brakes will be applied. And the other option you can do is, if you're getting enough air in there to at least somewhat release the parking brake, then on your slack adjuster, if I can reach under here, you have to lift this button down here, lift that button up, and I have to look at some slack adjuster videos. And then up here on top, you take a small wrench and turn this, where's my camera at here? Okay, then you'll turn this bolt until either one way tightens, the other way loosens. You got to turn it to which way it loosens to back the brake off, and you'll just back that off all the way. if that's your only option. Back it off all the way. That way, when your parking brake releases, if you don't have a Cajun bolt, your parking brake is going to release, and it's going to, it's going to apply, and it's going to push that rod all the way down and try to apply your parking brake. But if your brake is adjusted all the way open, then it can't put the parking brake on. You just won't be having a brake on this side, that's all. Just one brake. Well, you got 10 brakes on your trailer, so if you're missing one, it's not going to change anything. So anyway, you do that, clamp off this hose so your air's not leaking out, and then you can drive it to get to where you got to get to fix it. Now, since I just drive local, and it's just the same run back and forth at a real short distance, I just went on and clamped this off and just waited till the weekend, and that's where I am now, Saturday, and going to put this on today.